fantastic Tuesday morning. And if there's one thing about us, it is that we do not work on Tuesday.
Yeah!
Oh, bring the energy.
He just woke me up,
Good
brother.
morning, Glow.
Good morning.
Woo!
Hey, look at Chris McNug. It's different.
Oh! Wait, we're filming on Tuesday. Chris McNugget cut his mop off.
It's still a mop,
What
but it's a
in
smaller
the
mop.
world
Yeah,
is
I know.
happening?
I know.
Dang.
It was just, it gets to the point where I feel like a poodle and I'm like, I gotta
Now he's just a
trim it down.
nice groomed poodle.
Imagine if I actually got it faded on the sides though.
I was gonna tell you, come with us to our barber on Thursday.
Thursday?
Yeah.
I'm down. Let's get it.
Let's
get it.
Let's go! We have a challenge today, gentlemen. Are you ready for said challenge? A couple weeks ago, we skated the smallest trucks that we have ever found in the history of Braille, right? So what happens when we take the smallest trucks and we put them on the biggest board that we have here in the Braille house?
Small board,
That one?
Small trucks versus big board?
Oh no,
I don't
it's
know.
right over there for you.
This is sick.
Man.
This is sick, brother.
Oh!
We got a board slide ASAP. You know what's weird? With the big board, the trucks ain't as loose. Why? Kickflip for ice?
You know what's weird about this is that the camera does it absolutely no justice. When you're watching this video on this board, obviously you're gonna think that there's something fishy going on. But hey, this is legit. This is no cap. Cruz is not wearing a cap today, as Rick would say.
I'm the only one wearing one. That's kind of weird.
Dang, even Chris don't got the beanie on today.
I'm gonna go put it on.
No cap. Rick, it is a momentous day today. Do you know why? Come on, you know why.
Because Gabriel Cruz wrote Happy Gilmore.
Chris is looking like a young Zac Efron.
Low key, you do kind of look a little Zac Efron-y.
I saw this in a comment. They said I look like the love child of the High School Musical stars.
Yeah. Yes. Dude. Oh my God.
That makes so much sense. You got Vanessa's dark hair and Zac Efron's facial structure.
Oh my God.
You're like, Zac Efron is your dad. You're like Zac Saffron.
Zac Saffron.
All right, come on. You want to get this broken knee kickflip?
What do you want to see? Kick? That's a lot of pressure.
It is.
I never caught a fish. Have you caught a fish?
You've never caught a fish?
I've never caught a fish.
I've caught many a fish.
One time I almost caught a fish. It was in Mexico, but I got seasick, bro, and started throwing up, and I couldn't reel them in.
Dang. Well, here's your chance to reel in your first kickflip on a fish board.
I've been to Pacifica like 3 times and never caught a fish.
Only 3 times?
You spend hours of your life out there just sitting in the sand, waiting for that thing to pull, and it just doesn't go. You lose motivation, brother. Someone give me some motivation to catch the fish.
You know, there's this one time I caught a bird.
No way.
I swear. And then after the whole thing was over, I was like young. I was maybe like 7 or 8 at the time. I looked at my dad and I said, hey, I didn't know we were fly fishing today. This is your first fish catch right here.
It is.
You're a pro fisherman right now. You're trying to go pro.
It's like I skate this size, though. 10?
I have no clue what size this is. Oh! He reeled it in! He got the trophy fish!
Viral.
Nollie heel. That's a good idea. I guarantee you could do it.
Dang, it's so...
It's safe. Oh! Hey,
Oh, primo.
have you seen Glow's knee?
Nah, what happened?
You should look at it. Beautiful.
Yeah?
Almost got done dotted. I was almost out the game for a second.
You went paintballing?
Whoa!
Alligator, lowest tier. Freshwater croc, mid tier. Saltwater croc?
S tier.
Yeah.
Any sort of gator. Oh, I'm not there.
Whoa, 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 whoa! You know, I was talking to Uzi about this recently, but prehistoric crocodiles were literally like 50, 60 feet long. Like, dinosaurs have evolved into birds. Hold up, Glow, I'm having a real important conversation right now. Don't skate yet, this is more important. Imagine, like, T-Rexes evolved into birds. Freaking... like crocodiles evolved into smaller versions of themselves.
Chicken is like Velociraptor, basically.
I know,
it's exactly
it's insane.
Velociraptor.
When I was
they
in-
eat mice. People don't even know that chicken eat meat. They eat bugs and mice and stuff.
Go down! Go down!
No way.
Why? It's safe.
I'm scared. Uh-oh.
Well, okay, I had one thing in my mind already, but then Glow just riding right there, it gave me the good idea.
Back 50-50 board
But
slide.
should I? Yeah, but look, we got the speed like right here.
Oh no, dude!
You just roll.
Where's the whack? It's like a back 5-0 board slide. You look unrecognizable.
I feel weird. I don't feel like myself, but I just need to adjust.
Wait till you get a fade.
Change is good sometimes.
Should you get a fade? Just go to the vert, Rick.
It's like wakeboarding.
It's like the ripstick.
You start like this. You go like this.
Oh, it looks bad. Can we get a skate tool and a drill real quick? We need some fixes. Oh, did it bend?
Yeah.
Oh.
Will it blend?
Dang.
How did you do it?
You know, what's going up in his sleeves? Oh wait, he don't have sleeves.
We should all do a greaser's day.
I don't know what that means.
Oh, uncultured! Oh!
That was sick. That was sick.
So you're telling me you've never seen The Outsiders?
That's a great movie, dude. You gotta watch it.
What's one with Danny Zuko?
You need to watch.
Footloose?
I have never, I don't know.
Hey, go.
But John!
If you would have watched The Outsiders, you would know the references. Stay gold. Come on, Rick. Watch the movie, Rick.
I would never pressure someone to watch a movie.
Oh, I bet. Macchiato's in that movie. Caramel macchiato?
Ralph Macchio, Karate Kid? The King?
He's in the movie.
The King?
I don't want to spoil it. Oh! Ralph is Johnny. Do it for Johnny. Come on, Rick. In Karate Kid, Johnny is the bad guy, but in The Outsiders, he is Johnny. Oh! No, seriously, think about that. Johnny in Cobra Kai, and then Ralph is Johnny in The Outsiders.
That's hard. Let's go back over there. It's really lucky we got the wheel wells here.
I know,
when
right?
you turn, you might get a wheel bite.
Yep.
So like, apparently I got Ralph's name. Ralph Macchiato is his actual name now.
What's his? How do you pronounce Macchio?
I think it's Macchio. Yeah, Ralph Macchio.
Alright, we can eat that.
I'm so confused. I've only seen the Karate Kid with Jaden Smith.
We can keep it with Ralph. Those Karate Kids are origin stories leading up to the series.
Is Cobra Kai anime?
I like that they use the movie material to
Create a show. They made Johnny look. Oh, dude, I don't know how they do this. If you think about it, it's basically you're telling me it's the Karate Kid cinematic universe. Yeah. Aim was right on.
Cobra Kai Dojo.
Oh, you
Alright,
went
that's
to
gonna work.
board slide crook.
Ooh, that's gonna bother you.
Imagine if this long manual pad had coping on both sides and we kept it in the middle.
Terrible idea.
Gotta go down too. That was sick.
Wow.
Let's go. Hey, I just rolled straight. The ground fell away. I kept going straight. That's all it took.
All right, let me just roll around a bit. This is what, like a 12-inch wide?
This board is what happens when you switch from a 7.75 to an 8.
Yes, exactly. be really on point. It's almost like landing on a ripstick. So much space.
Are you saying that ripsticking takes an insane amount of skill and precision?
Yeah.
Because you would be right.
It ain't easy doing tricks on a ripstick.
More power!
Yeah, I need more power, but it's kind of weird when you have to bend down and it's like so hard to balance.
You know, the rule about this board is that since it's a large fish, you must flop like a fish anytime you fall.
I think that was kind of close, right?
Yeah.
I could use a little more flippity flop, but if JD was here, he could do a stale fish on this. Dude, I thought that was gonna take me. I'm having issues here. What am I doing wrong?
You don't have your beanie.
I knew something was off. I don't know if I should skate anymore.
So here's what you gotta do.
All right, tell me.
You gotta land it.
Thank you. You should write a book.
I will officially title my book, Land It.
Bro!
No, I'll tell you what.
What's up?
Nothing.
Okay. You did tell me what, thank you.
You know, I'm not sure what's harder, a tray flip on a board that big or a tray flip on trucks that small.
See, when he asks you what he's doing wrong, that's your opportunity to tell him that he sucks.
Oh, well, you know, I'm a nice guy, but you suck!
Oh, man.
There you go. Now,
Hey.
now you can land it.
Now you're gonna
You
land.
can't be great all the time. Sometimes you have to suck.
First of all, what is the progression into a tray flip? You didn't even varial flip on
Yeah,
it.
that's right. You didn't varial flip it yet, huh?
At first.
Nobody likes that trick.
I like that trick. Gabe Cruz likes that
Nobody
trick.
who likes varial flips is honest with themselves. So I'm just kidding. Gabe, we love you.
I was gonna 6-inch punch you to death.
Oh,
In honor of the movie you watched last night, we can count on each other to meet him in the parking lot.
well, I know what I'm eating breakfast today. Let me see how the nose manual game is real quick. That tray flip felt awesome. Okay, this was pretty good too.
Hey, pivot fakie.
You think so? With the bigger board, it's easier to balance. What do you want to try?
Come on, fakie.
Can I try pivot fakie first?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you were fully on there. Like, fully on there.
That was really cool.
Dude, that was nuts. Wow.
That felt so cool.
When are you gonna blunt fakie?
Primo? Do you think Primo?
No chance. I love taking my fish for a walk.
Remember that time I found a fish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, whenever you're playing Mario and he loses his hat, that's what I feel like is going on.
Yeah. I really am gonna text my barber and tell him to fit you in.
Yeah?
I'm gonna get Chris a fade. It's gonna look great.
Fade away.
I tried. The trucks are real. That makes it really hard. You have to be absolutely perfect on your rollaway. Second. I know. I don't know what. Oh, actually, I have an idea. I don't know if this will work, but.
Wow. Well,
wanted to ride it, I
you're
didn't.
not allowed to ride the 3 block today.
I'm not riding the 3 block.
Or the 5 stair.
I don't even
Or-
think anyone's
I don't-
rode the 3 block.
I don't even want you to stand on this board.
Honestly, at this point, I don't think this would be a skateboard.
Why?
Because it's too big. It feels like a surfboard.
Why are you skating the stairs, Mo? You're hurt. Robbie will do it. You're hurt.
Alright, do you know what a mall is called in Australia? I give you 5, 4, 3.
A shopping center.
It is correct.
Wait, no way, really?
You'd never say mall. I'm going to the mall.
Oh, dude, no, I did not hear what you were saying. That was a complete
Say I'm
guess.
going to the shopping center.
I think I could do the 3 block.
I knew he could do it. I had 0 doubt in this man. Oh, look.
Oh. What's the ender?
Okay. Gotta go recycle.
Chris, hit the sideboard.
Ooh, that's sketchy.
Yeah.
It actually slides pretty good.
Well, Ricky wax it. It might be easier to switch.
I don't know where that logic came from. Why do you think it'd be easier to
Robbie
switch?
Town. Just go fast and commit.
Yeah, what he said. It's a lot scarier than it looks, though. I'll tell you that.
I'll tell you what.
I tell you what.
It's like a slappy.
It's like a slappy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's
I
scary.
need to wax it a little bit though.
Yeah.
Is your life any way improved ever since I've watched Happy Gilmore?
Yeah, it's 100 times.
Do you feel better?
I feel way better. I feel relieved. A weight off my shoulders.
I'm glad I can help you out.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Miyagi training, we've got the wax on. Mr. Mahogany. I think a little bit faster.
He did it for Johnny. Stay gold.
Wow.
That was amazing.
It's a cool board, huh?
It is a very cool board.
New possibilities.
Great possibilities.
Can I try one more trick?
Yeah, what do you want to do?
No slide. That one's scary.
I'm sorry, y'all. It's the coffee. I'm sorry.
Should we try and rock it like that?
Hi, Rick. You did a wheelie.
Hey, this is what's fun about skateboarding. You either land the fun trick or you sack. Either way, win-win.
Zach, 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 Zach.
Sketch.
If I didn't watch Happy Gilmore last night, Rick would not want to do this.
Yeah, that's true.
But it's a new world. Right now, we live in a reality where Gabe Cruz has seen the HG.
I think I just gotta go fast, honestly.
GC has watched the HG. Now RG gonna land the 50-50.
All right, this is my strategy. Go fast and just try to get to the bottom.
Here's
kinda.
the strategy. Go fast and commit.
Yeah?
Yes.
That's a good one, too.
Thanks.
I missed my sack, brother.
You drove that one a good 450 yards, Rick.
I landed on my AirPods.
Dang.
I just got your jerk. Oh. It can actually get me.
Yeah, it can, brother.
All right, well, there's so many skateboards in the universe, in existence, that have ever existed, but I've literally never seen one like this. I think that's pretty cool, huh? Very skinny truck, very wide board. Mr. Uzi Walker. Just in time.
Who is that? You know what's funny is this morning I saw the skinny board video did good, and I was like, we should do a wide board. Come in here.
I literally told you the other day, I said, biggest board, smallest trucks. You said,
Yeah, you did say that. All right, well, I think we put it to the test. Leave it in the comments. Are you a scientist? I am a scientist. Please tell me about what science experiments you do. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave it in those comments below. We want you to learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need on the Braille Army Plus membership. I spat on the lens. Let's go.